Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone screen never turn off. By default, your iPhone automatically turns off the screen after a short period of inactivity to save battery. But sometimes you may want the screen to stay on longer, especially when you're reading, following a tutorial, or using your phone as a reference. Let's go step by step. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Display and Brightness. Inside this section, look for the option called Auto Lock and tap on it. Here, you'll see different time options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and more. To make your iPhone screen never turn off automatically, simply select Never. Once you choose this option, your iPhone screen will stay on until you manually lock it by pressing the side button. Just keep in mind that leaving your screen on for a long time may use more battery, so you may want to change this setting back later if needed. And that's it. That's how to make your iPhone screen never turn off. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.